The first measure of central tendency that we are going to study is mode. Now, what is mode? Mode is the most frequent value in the data, or which is most typical value, or which is most predominant value. मतलब वो value जो सबसे ज्यादा बार आके गई है data में, उसको हम लोग mode बोलते हैं. A data may have more than one mode. The data in a data you may have one mode or more than one mode. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ही मोड होगा. तो अगर आपके डेटा को एक ही मोड है तो हम लोग उसको यूनिमोडल डेटा बोलते हैं. अगर आपके डेटा को दो मोड्स है तो आप उसको बाई मॉडल डेटा बोलेंगे. अगर तीन है तो ट्राई मॉडल एंड सो ऑन. लेकिन अगर आपके डेटा को एक ही मोड है, so we say that it is mode is properly defined. And in all other cases, if you have more than one mode, then we say that mode is ill-defined. It's called as ill-defined mode. Now let us go to the computation of mode. Mode is very easy to calculate for all the three types of data, that is raw data, ungrouped data, group data जो हम लोगों ने सीखा है. तो हर एवरेज को तीन फॉर्मूले रहेंगे. तो हम लोग पहले रॉ डेटा का मोड निकालते हैं. इफ फॉर रॉ डेटा द मोड इज द वैल्यू विच इज ऑकर्ड फॉर मैक्सिमम टाइम. वो वैल्यू जो डेटा में सबसे ज्यादा बार आई है वो मोड हो जाती है. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल हियर. If this is my value data 12, 13, 14, 12, 16, 17, 12, 13, 12, 17. So it means that 12 has occurred for maximum time. So my mode is 12. Mode is denoted by Z. Mode is always denoted by capital Z. So my Z is 12. Here it is as simple as that. Now let us go to the ungrouped data part. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data कैसे होता है? उन्होंने आपको X दिया होगा, values दी होंगी. Suppose the values are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the values. And they have given you the frequency. Ungrouped data को हम लोगों ने already statistical description of data में explain किया है. तो ये है आपका अनग्रुप डेटा. और इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 10 has occurred for 12 times. 20 has, because if this is the frequency, then 20 has occurred for 11 times. 30 has occurred 8 times. 40 has occurred 9 times. 50 has occurred 10 times. So which value has occurred for maximum time? 10. So my mode is 10. So in case of ungrouped data, mode is the value with highest frequency. अगर यहाँ पे दो वैल्यूज होते जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा होती, मतलब इसकी भी 12 और इसकी भी 12, we would have got two modes. So in this case, your mode is 10 because 10 has occurred for maximum time, 12 times. Simple. In ungrouped data also, it is very, very simple to calculate mode. Mode is the value which has highest frequency. Now we'll go on to the group data. Now for group data, there is some formula. Suppose this is my group data. Say suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. If at all the classes are not exclusive, you should make them exclusive. Make the classes continuous. This is the normal norm of statistics. Arrange the data in ascending order as far as possible, or descending is also okay. Next, make the classes continuous. It helps, continuous classes help. And now suppose there is a frequency. Now how to find mode for group data? First step is find the modal class, that is class with highest frequency. Class with highest frequency is called as modal class. Now, which is the class having highest frequency? 15 is the highest frequency. So 15 is highest frequency. So my modal class in the given example is 20 to 30. And its frequency is termed as FM. It's nothing but frequency of modal class and it is 15. अब ये modal class के पहले का जो class है ना, उसकी जो frequency है, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे F0. और उसके बाद का जो क्लास है, मॉडल क्लास के बाद का जो क्लास है ये वाला, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम लोग बोलेंगे F1. Now this is my modal class. The lower class limit is obviously 20. Upper class limit is 30. Okay. Class interval, it can be given by I or C. Class interval is 10. 30 minus 20. It is 10. So the mode for the group data is, the formula is L plus Fm minus F0 whole thing upon 2Fm minus F0 minus F1. Everything is multiplied by I. Actually, the formula can also be written as L plus Fm minus F0 whole thing upon Fm minus F0 plus Fm minus F1. इनके ही अगर मैंने ब्रैकेट्स खोल दिए तो मुझे ये फॉर्मूला मिल जाता है. Whole thing is multiplied by I. That is the class interval. Now let us see here. Let us calculate the mode here. What is the lower class limit? 20. As we have already defined. Plus, what is FM? 15. So it was 15 minus 9 whole thing upon 2 into 15 minus 9 minus 8. And everything is multiplied by the class interval, that is 10. Obviously, we'll first solve this concept, this part. हम लोग पहले ये इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, बाद में उसको ऐड करेंगे, क्योंकि ये पहले इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. So it's very easy. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. Whole thing upon 2 into 15, that is 30. 30 minus 17. So you will get here 20 plus, ये 15 minus 9 आता है 6. 6 into 10 will become 60. Divided by 2 into 15 is 30. 30 minus 9, 21 minus 8. 13. So I will do 60 divided by 13. That is 4.61. So this will become 20 plus 4.61 and whatever it is 615 या ऐसे कुछ आता है वो आगे 53. I'll take 4 decimal places. 6153 and after adding this your answer will be 24.6153. This is your mode. Obviously, because the modal class is from 20 to 30, the mode will also lie in between 20 to 30.